Philipp Scherer, Medicine.
Wow, I can never get enough of those. They look so beautiful with these lipid droplets and everything.
Dr. Philipp Scherer still gets excited when he sees intriguing cells. But nothing thrilled him more than discovering a protein produced by fat cells called adiponectin, a discovery that has led to new avenues in the investigation of obesity and diabetes.
We see that high adiponectin generally is a sign of good metabolic health, low adiponectin synonymous with inflammation, insulin resistance, and other troublesome aspects of metabolism.
At UT Southwestern's Touchstone Diabetes Center, Scherer has made a discovery that has turned most of our assumptions about fat tissue upside down. Fat cells make many molecules that can cause inflammation and insulin resistance. However, one of the fat-derived hormones he has identified, called adiponectin, actually serves as a potent defense mechanism against type 2 diabetes.
We don't want to endorse obesity. However, it is protective. That is our one cell type that is specialized in the storage of these triglycerides. And as such, it's really that one tissue that we want to keep happy in the context of metabolic health. They clearly seem to have a difference at the level of the free fatty acids as well.
Scherer also discovered certain cells in fat tissue aggressively support the growth of cancerous tumors. Inhibiting these fat-derived growth factors could help in treating the disease.
We are now trying one by one to determine what are the most critical components that the adipocyte produces that actually offer an environment that makes these tumor cells more at ease and then allows them to actually proliferate and eventually metastasize.
Scherer started his career in his home country of Switzerland. His work eventually led him to the United States and now to UT Southwestern. His research earned him the Lilly Award for Outstanding Scientific Achievement from the American Diabetes Association.
I was very, very impressed by his work ethic, his ability to organize talented young people to work in his lab.
250 publications and more than 20,000 citations in scientific journals are proof that Scherer's work is getting noticed. He vows to continue his work with adiponectin and further investigate how manipulating adipose tissue can overcome type 1 and type 2 diabetes, ultimately allowing us to live better and longer.
Obviously, we have an obesity epidemic, so we will really need to know what to do about the metabolic dysfunctional adipose tissue, which is pretty much at the core of all of these disease phenomena that we are very familiar with.